Welcome back. In this episode, we will be doing sounds in our whatever you have available, minus sprinkles, chocolate sprinkles. And this will be a little bit more challenging. So if you're up for the challenge, get ready because here we go. Let's start with a little bit of simple practice. What letter says T? T. Yeah, T says T. You're probably saying, Mrs. Pearson, come on. You're supposed to be challenging me. Fine. What two letters say? Aha, TH says. TH says. What letters say ank? Ank. If you said A-N-K, you were correct. A-N-K says ank. Now remember, those are called vowel units. We say those together. We no longer sound those out as a-nk. We say ank. So anytime you see that, it's almost like ing, ang, ong, ung. Same thing. We see those as vowel units. So that brings me to my next question. What letters say ung? Ung, like in hungry. Ung. Ooh, U-N-G says ung, not to be confused with ong. What letters say ong? Good. O-N-G says ong. O-N-G says ong. Good. What about ink? Ink. I put my dishes in the sink. Good. I-N-K says ink. I-N-K says ink. What letters say ch? Ch. Good. C-H says ch. C-H says ch. What about the letters? Okay. What letters say sh? Sh. Good. S-H says sh. S-H says shh. Good job. Let's get to some words. Let's break apart some words, shall we? What about, I have a cheat sheet over here, guys. Let's do the word munch. Munch. What is the vowel you hear in the word munch? Go ahead and break it down if you need to. And as always, you can pause the video if you need a little extra think time. Munch. Nch. Good. U says U says Good. What letter in the word munch says n? Good. N says n. What is the last sound you hear in the word munch? Good. C-H says ch. C-H says ch. What is the first sound you hear in the word munch? Good. M says m. M says m. What two letters say un in the word munch? Ooh, tricky. U-N says un in the word munch. U-N says un. Good. Let's do stench. Do you know what stench means? It means something's really stinky. What is that? Stench. Stench. What is the last sound you hear in the word stench? Good. C-H says ch. C-H says ch. What is the first sound you hear in the word stench? Ooh, S says s. S says s. I would also accept if you said st, st. What two letters say st? What sounds do you hear? Good. S-T says st. S-T says st. That is a consonant blend, my friends. So I will accept if you say st is the first sound in stench. What is the vowel you hear in the word stench? Stench. Good. E says eh. E says eh. Good job. Let's do the word shop. I love to shop. What is the first sound you hear in the word shop? Good. SH says shh. SH says shh. What is the vowel in the word shop? Good. O says ah. O says ah. Good job. And the last sound that you hear in the word shop, P. Good. P says p, like Pearson. P says p. Good job. What about the word chop? Chop, 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 chop. Christoph, where's Christoph? Likes to chop ice. What is the first sound you hear in the word chop? Good. CH says ch. CH says ch. What is the last sound you hear in the word chop? Good. P again. P says p, like Pearson. P says p. What is the vowel you hear in the word chop? It's pretty easy. We just did it, right? O says ah. O says ah. Good. What about the word? I'm going to pick a good one, guys. What about the word strong? Ooh, the word strong. What vowel unit is at the end of strong? If you said O-N-G, you are correct, my friend. O-N-G is a vowel unit, and it says ong. O-N-G says ong, right? What is, okay, there's 3 letters in this next sound. Str, str. If you need to slow that down, let's do it together. St-er, st-er. Ooh, in the word strong, what are the first 3 sounds you hear? Str, S-T-R. Good job. S-T-R says stir. S-T-R says stir. Not like stir something, but strong, right? Good. What about the word thank? Thank you for joining me today. The word thank. What is the first sound you hear in the word thank? Good. T-H says. T-H says. What is the vowel unit at the end of the word? Thank. Good. If you said A-N-K says ank, A-N-K says ank, you are correct. Let's do another one. In the word, strung. Strung. Not strong, strung. What is the vowel unit in the word strung? If you said U-N-G says ung, you are correct. U-N-G says ung. What about, let's do one more, the word lunch. Lunch. We all love lunch. What is the first sound you hear in the word lunch? L says ul. Good job. L says ul. What is the vowel you hear in the word lunch? If you said you are correct. U says U says What is the last sound you hear in the word lunch? I pretty much gave it away, didn't I? CH says ch. CH says ch. Good job, everybody. Should we do